Hello everyone, welcome to our Priceless YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make money with the help of ChatGPT. Part 1. Introducing ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can help you with a variety of tasks, from writing content to answering questions. It's one of the most advanced language models out there, and it's available to everyone. Part 2. Using ChatGPT to make money. So how can you make money with the help of ChatGPT? There are a few ways. Freelance writing. ChatGPT can help you write content for clients and you can get paid for it. Simply use ChatGPT to generate ideas and write the content and then submit it to your client. Answering questions. ChatGPT can help you answer questions on websites like Quora and Reddit. If you are an expert in a certain field, you can use ChatGPT to help you answer questions and get paid for it. Social media management. ChatGPT can help you manage social media accounts for businesses. Use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, write posts, and manage the accounts, and then get paid for your work. Part 3. Tips for using ChatGPT to make money. Now that you know how to make money with the help of ChatGPT, here are a few tips to help you get started. Understand the limitation of ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is incredible power, it is not perfect. Make sure you understand its limitation so you can use it effectively. Practice, practice, practice. The more you use ChatGPT, the better you will get at using it to make money. Practice writing content, answering questions, and managing social media accounts to improve your skills. Build your reputation. Whether you are writing content or answering questions, building a good reputation is key to making money. Make sure you deliver high-quality work and build relationships with clients to build a solid reputation. So there you have it. With the help of ChatGPT, you can make money in a variety of ways. Just remember to understand its limitation, practice, and build your reputation. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time on our channel.